What's up, people? This is Dalton Wildwood Adventures. I just got a new GoPro 8 and I'm going to try it out today for the first time. I'm going to hook it up to my bike, go on a little ride around G-Town, my hometown, and hopefully you can hear it and you can see me and everything will be cool. So talk to you soon. Pro you. The adventure starts now. Late. Alright, people, what's going on? It's Dalton Wildwood Adventures. Trying out my new GoPro camera and just taking it on my bike and just doing a little sample run here, and hopefully I don't drop this thing while I'm riding my bike, and hope everyone's chilling, having a good time. Dalton Wildwood Adventures, let's do this. I shouldn't be chewing gum right now, but oh well. This is just a test run. Music is provided by Hospital Records, Fast Running Music 2018-19. Here in the suburbs of Los Angeles. We're about 20 miles outside of downtown LA. In the San Gabriel Valley, near the base of Mount Baldy. There's all kinds of traffic going on here. You gotta watch out what's going on around me so I don't get nailed by a car, because people are reckless here with their driving. It's a nice day out today. Reached about 90 degrees. It's a little bit humid for Southern California, but nothing like Texas or the deep south. It even gets a little humid in Boston too sometimes. So anyway, I hope you can hear me. I got the GoPro mod with the shotgun mic, but right now I'm just experimenting with this case. Okay, I got some tricky riding coming up here. Whoa, one-handed. All right, now we're getting into my neighborhood, my little hood. One-handed riding, better practice this so I can afford a cameraman to follow me around. This is what you're gonna get. All right, this is where it all started. All right, we're gonna go home and check out all this footage. Make sure it turns out all right. This is my neighborhood right here. The Wildwood Abode. Let's take a little tour around my neighborhood. All right. It's a cool little neighborhood here in the foothills of G-Town. All right. I'm gonna shut you guys down. You're watching Adult Wildwood and Adult Wild Adventures. Test run number 1.